Are you bored of looking for the next great thing in health and wellness? Look no farther than moringa seeds. These little powerhouses are high in important nutrients, antioxidants, and other beneficial chemicals that can provide a variety of health advantages. But that is not all. The benefits of moringa seeds extend beyond enhancing your physical health. According to studies, regular ingestion of moringa seeds may have anti-cancer capabilities, making them a potential game-changer in the fight against this dreadful disease. So, whether you want to strengthen your immune system, enhance your digestion, or even avoid chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes, moringa seeds could be the answer you've been waiting for. But do not take our word for it. In this video, we'll look at the scientific studies that supports moringa seeds' tremendous health benefits. You'll learn about the latest studies and conclusions from prominent academics in the area, as well as how to incorporate these strong seeds into your daily routine. So, are you ready to maximize the benefits of moringa seeds for your health and wellness journey? Then continue to watch. This video might well transform your life. Just a brief reminder, the information in this video is meant solely for educational purposes and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Let us begin our countdown with number 1, antioxidant properties. Moringa seeds are well known for their high antioxidant qualities, which can give several health advantages, according to a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Nutrition in 2021. Moringa seeds' antioxidant activity stems mostly from the presence of phenolic compounds such as gallic acid, CIC acid, and chlorogenic acid. This antioxidant activity is based on the ability of these phenolic compounds to scavenge free radicals and prevent oxidative damage in the body. Free radicals are unstable chemicals that destroy cells and cause a variety of ailments. Consuming moringa seeds, which are high in phenolic compounds, can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This may minimize the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Moringa seeds can be easily added to smoothies, salads, or as a snack. So why not give it a shot and experience the benefits for yourself? Next, consider the anti-inflammatory effects. Moringa seeds are little but formidable powerhouses that provide several health advantages. One of the most interesting findings about moringa seeds is their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which have been confirmed by current scientific research. Inflammation is the immune system's normal response to damaging stimuli like viruses, damaged cells, or irritants. However, persistent inflammation is linked to a variety of ailments, including arthritis, cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Fortunately, studies have revealed that the medicinal components found in moringa seeds include flavonoids, phenolic acids, and alkaloids. Contains anti-inflammatory properties. These substances prevent the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes such KIO, X2, and INOS, hence decreasing inflammation. Furthermore, moringa seeds are abundant in antioxidants, which aid to neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative stress and inflammation. A chemical called kin discovered in moringa seeds has been demonstrated to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating moringa seeds into your diet may be a natural and efficient strategy to treat inflammation-related diseases. Next, number 3. Are you seeking for a natural way to assist your liver health? Look no farther than the humble moringa seed, which contains antioxidants such as flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin C. Numerous studies have indicated that these small seeds can help protect the liver from oxidative stress. But that is not all. Moringa seeds contain chemicals like setting Kemp for everybody. In addition, sotiocianides have been found to reduce inflammation and prevent liver damage by scavenging free radicals and boosting antioxidant enzymes in the liver. These molecules work together to maintain this crucial organ operating optimally. Fourth, anti-cancer potential. Did you realize that nature has given us a potential weapon in the fight against cancer? Moringa seeds have recently received attention for their anti-cancer properties, and research has given new insights into the substances involved and the mechanism underlying their benefits. One study, released in 2021, discovered that bioactive chemicals in moringa seeds, such as nia, shin, azarin, and niacin, have anti-cancer properties, causing apoptosis while leaving healthy cells intact. This could be a game-changer in the battle against cancer. Furthermore, another study discovered a combination of moringa seed extract and chemotherapeutic medicines. In animals with colon cancer, there was a synergistic effect in inhibiting the proliferation of cancer cells. These findings provide hope for the creation of new, more effective cancer treatments. Moringa seeds have the potential to be a critical weapon in our fight against cancer if further researched and developed. The fifth step is to regulate blood sugar levels. If you're seeking for a natural strategy to control your blood sugar levels, moringa seeds could be the solution. These little but mighty seeds have been discovered to contain chemicals that prevent the digestion of carbs into sugar, resulting in decreased blood glucose levels. One of these molecules is quercetin, a flavonoid known to have anti-diabetic effects. Recent research has demonstrated that moringa seeds improve blood sugar management in both animals and humans. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Food Biochemistry in 2021 found that moringa seed powder lowers blood glucose levels in healthy people. These discoveries are great news for anyone who has diabetes or is at risk of developing it. Incorporating moringa seeds into your diet may be a natural method to help control your blood sugar. So, why not test them and see how they work for you? The sixth step is to regulate cholesterol. Are you concerned about your cholesterol level? Moringa seeds might be the answer you've been looking for. Recent research has revealed that moringa seeds are high in cholesterol-lowering phytochemicals, such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, and alkaloids. These potent chemicals operate by blocking the absorption of cholesterol in the stomach, reducing LDL cholesterol levels in the blood. But that is not all. Moringa seeds are also anti-inflammatory, which contributes to their cholesterol-lowering effects. In fact, a water-soluble extract of moringa seeds has been proven to lower total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels in rats on a high-fat diet. So, why not try moringa seeds? Add them to your diet today and gain the benefits of their cholesterol-lowering characteristics. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. The seventh step is to regulate your weight. Do you struggle to keep your weight under control? Look no farther than the powerful moringa seed. According to recent studies, this small superfood is high in fiber, antioxidants, and chlorogenic acid, all of which can help with weight management. Not only does fiber provide a sense of fullness, but antioxidants also aid to reduce inflammation and stimulate metabolism, resulting in increased fat loss. Furthermore, the chlorogenic acid in moringa seeds has been related to increased insulin sensitivity, which can help avoid excess fat storage and assist weight loss. Don't simply take our word for it. The research speaks for itself. So, why not test moringa seeds and discover how they might aid you with your weight loss journey? Eighth, intestinal health. If you want a natural solution to boost your digestive health, try introducing moringa seeds into your diet. According to recent research, these tiny seeds have a significant impact in promoting healthy digestion. They are not simply rich in fiber. This helps to keep things moving properly through your digestive tract. However, they also contain powerful chemicals such as phenolic acids and flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These substances act synergistically to minimize inflammation and oxidative damage in your gut, allowing your digestive system to function optimally. Moringa seeds have also been shown to have antibacterial capabilities, which can help defend against dangerous bacteria in the gut. So, if you want to keep your digestive system working properly, try moringa seeds. Skin health comes next, at number 9. When it comes to skincare, Many of us are always looking for natural and effective ways to improve our skin's health. Moringa seeds, which have been used in traditional medicine for millennia, have recently acquired popularity due to their potential skin health advantages. Moringa seed extract has been shown in trials to enhance skin moisture, suppleness, and the appearance of wrinkles. This is because the oil collected from the seeds is high in antioxidants, vital fatty acids, vitamin E, and cytokinins. By including moringa seed oil into your skincare routine, you can feed your skin and keep it looking healthy and youthful. It's an excellent alternative to chemical-laden skincare products, and it's good for any skin type. Next, number 10. Improve erectile dysfunction. Moringa seeds may hold the secret to resolving one of men's most sensitive situations: erectile dysfunction. With their potent combination of natural chemicals, these seeds have been the subject of numerous research looking into their possible sexual health benefits. Recent research has discovered that moringa seeds contain flavonoids, saponins, and phenolic acids, which can increase blood flow to the penis and reduce inflammation, resulting in enhanced erectile function. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine in 2018 found that moringa seeds can boost testosterone and nitric oxide levels while decreasing oxidative stress in the penis, all of which are essential for good sexual health. If you're seeking for a natural solution to improve your sexual function, consider including moringa seeds into your diet. Wow, you are almost there. But before we divulge the final great perks, we're dying to know, did this video blow your mind? If it did, please respond in the comments with a yes, and watch as your support inspires our desire to create more mind-blowing stuff like this. Thank you, superb viewer. The final item on our list is enhanced sperm production. Moringa seeds have been widely examined for their ability to increase sperm production. The procedure makes use of the active chemicals found in the seeds, which have been demonstrated to increase male fertility. One study, published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2020, looked on the benefits of Moringa oleifera seed extract on male reproductive function. The researchers discovered that the extract dramatically enhanced sperm count, motility, and testosterone levels. Another study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2019 looked into the possibility of Moringa oleifera seeds as a natural treatment for male infertility. The study discovered that the seeds contain a number of bioactive components, such as flavonoids, alkaloids, and phenolic acids, which may contribute to their favorable effects on sperm production. The precise processes by which moringa seeds increase sperm production are unknown, although it is thought that the active substances in the seeds may aid in general reproductive function and hormone balance. Overall, the findings indicate that moringa seeds could be a natural and effective strategy to boost male fertility. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating trip to discover the tremendous health benefits of moringa seed. We hope you found this video educational and inspirational. Remember, including moringa seeds into your daily routine is a simple and effective method to improve your overall health. So, why wait? Begin receiving the advantages of this natural superfood today. If you loved this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating health and wellness material. And, as always, please feel free to post any questions or comments below. We enjoy hearing from our viewers. Stay healthy and curious, and we will see you in the future video. Take care.